Imagine regaining the ability to move, to interact with the world after losing a limb. It's a journey made possible by incredible engineering. But how exactly is a modern prosthetic limb brought to life? It all begins with a detailed assessment. Specialized scans capture the precise anatomy of the residual limb, creating a digital blueprint. Using advanced software, prosthetists design a custom socket, the critical interface between the body and the device, ensuring a perfect, comfortable fit. Using advanced software, prosthetists design a custom socket, the critical interface between the body and the device, ensuring a perfect, comfortable fit. Next, the digital design moves to fabrication. Advanced materials like carbon fiber, plastics, and titanium are carefully selected. The custom socket is often 3D printed or meticulously molded layer by layer, followed by the assembly of components like articulated joints, sophisticated hydraulics, and even microprocessor-controlled knees or ankles. Each piece is chosen and calibrated for optimal function. With the limb constructed, the crucial fitting process begins. The prosthetist works closely to ensure the perfect alignment and comfort. Adjustments are made, and gait analysis systems measure walking patterns, refining every aspect for natural movement and maximum stability. From a simple scan to a complex, custom-engineered device, the creation of a prosthetic limb is a testament to human ingenuity. It's where technology and compassion intersect, giving individuals the power to move forward, reclaiming independence and redefining what's possible.